Hi, my Redlands E-Academy math scholars. Today I'm going to show you how to use a tool called Geogebra. Geogebra is great and has a lot of uses in your math classes. So I'm going to show you a very basic application today, and just to start you off. And then we will be doing more throughout the year with it. Even I'm still exploring it. There's a lot to explore. It may seem a little complicated at first, but it's just there's a lot you can do with it. So it's a great tool. So first of all, you go to www.geogebra.org, and then there's different possibilities. So depending on what you use. So I went ahead and because I am using Google Chrome, I did the Geogebra Chrome app, and I just installed that. And so you see I have a little, it's this little button down here is what I can click on when I'm in Google Chrome to access it. So let's go ahead and bring that up. And what you're given to start out with is a XY axis. So here's your XY plane. And I'm going to go ahead, I think if you go to File, maybe View, let's look at here. Okay, because there's also one, usually you can have like a grid showing, and so I thought that might be nice if we had the grid. I don't see it right now. Alright, so we'll go ahead and we'll stick with the XY axis, just the XY plane. And the way that I want to use this tool today is, let's see, you can grab, I already went to the Edgenuity site and I picked on somebody. So I have this person who missed this problem on an assignment. And the problem is, find the radius of the circle with equation x squared plus y squared plus 8x plus 8y plus 28 is equal to 0. So you're looking for a radius, and there's going to be, this is an Algebra 2 class question, and so there's going to be a special way that you would figure this out algebraically. And what we're going to use GeoGebra for today is we're going to go ahead and we're going to type in the equation we were given for the circle. And so we're going to type that down here in the input box. And let's see, so that was x squared plus y squared plus 8x plus 8y plus 28 is equal to 0. And then you're just going to hit enter. And you can see our circle came up over here. We want to kind of more center it in the page. So I'm going to go ahead and if you click this one here with the 4 arrows, it'll help you, it'll give you the hand, and you can move the plane around. So there's our circle here. Alright, and now what I want to do, in order to find the radius, we're going to need the center of the circle. So I'm just going to check to see what the answer should have been, or maybe if I were to have gotten that answer, I would have checked first. You know, this was just a homework assignment, so you can check to make sure you got it right before you turn it in. And let's go ahead and look. So it says the midpoint or center. So you click on this box here, and so you can either do a new point or you can find the midpoint or center. So we're going to look for the midpoint or center, and we're going to click on the circle, and it gave us the center. So now that it's given us the center of our circle, we will go here to segments. So this is where you would do all your line drawing. I'm going to go ahead and make this bigger now. And we're going to do segment between 2 points. And we're going to click on the center point of the circle. And then remember that your radius, you can click anywhere on the circle. So where it says circle C, you know you're on the circle. You can click there for a point. And so that's your radius. The segment, the distance of the segment is the distance of your radius. So over here you see your segment A equals 2. So the radius should have been 2. So if you go back to the problem, the question, and then you see number A, or letter A was the number 2. So it should have been letter A. That would have been the correct answer. So then you can go back, now that you know that, you can go back and figure out, okay, why was that?